Hi my friends, are you there? Uko na chat GPT? Hello, uko hapa? You are using chat GPT to create photos, to send smart girls, kufurahisha watu. And you want money. You are begging your cousin to send you 100 bob. You are begging maybe your long time friend to send you 50 bob. And if they refuse, unajam. Why? And you have ChatGPT. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get money. And there are so many tricks to use ChatGPT to get money. But I only have one that I have already proven. I'll be showing you the proof. So, my videos inakuanga na proofs. Siongeangi tu. So, let me show you. I'm going to start it almost like after 2 minutes. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. Don't download it and be with it or do what. So I was scrolling on TikTok. I love my TikTok, so because every day I huwa najifunza kakitu kenye kanaleta pesa. So I was scrolling and I found that girl talking that, do you have ChatGPT? Oh, do you want to sell books? And I was like, books? How can I sell books? Okay, I know about eBooks. I was once a seller partner. I used to promote other people's books. They called eBooks. Yani, that means digital books. So I tried, what did I do? I went there and I asked ChatGPT, can you write for me an ebook to sell on Amazon? And they say, yes, Regina, we can write you a book and you can sell it on Amazon. Then I told them, I want a premium book that can be sold $30 plus. They said, yes, we can. Drop your topic, the headlines, how you want your book to look like, the topic, the title. Then I said, I want this and this, and they wrote everything. And the good thing about ChatGPT, when you just finish writing something, they type immediately. Then, but it took me 2 days. I sent them the title, the name, everything they wanted. Then they wrote my book. They told me they're going to take around 24 to 72 hours writing my ebook. And I was so happy, by the way. I was so patient waiting, but I nilikuwa narudi pale kuwauliza. So ChatGPT ilinisaidia sana. Nilienda nikapata ilikuwa nini? Nikaanza kuandika kitabu, na believe me, walinitumia kitabu na tukaendelea. Nikasahi kitabu yangu As I'm Talking iko pale Amazon. My book iko pale Amazon, by the way. Ina Giselle. So aliniandika kitabu, akanitengenezea cover, everything I uploaded. So let's go and show you direct. Wacha tuache panganga mingi. Tuanze na ChatGPT. Let's go. So guys, niko kwa simu yangu. You come here, you type this ChatGPT there. If you don't have, go download it. Then I'll not search it, I'll not ask for it because it's for free, but sometimes they pay. So I'll go where I wrote ebook cover mockups request. Okay, so I'll come here. It's so many, by the way. I love chatting with ChatGPT. So here I wrote, wait guys, it's so many. Hey, sorry guys. So let's just ask it. Can you make a book? Not make. Can you write a book for me to sell on Amazon? You can see it's writing absolutely I'd be glad to help you write a complete ready to publish book for Amazon Kindle. You can see there. To get started, could you answer a few questions so that I create something that matches with what you want? Then first question, what is the topic of the original? You can say it. Then approximate length you want. Then you can say 30 pages, full ebook, 80, 120 or longer. Target audience, you can say women, young adults. Tone, friendly, professional. You can choose professional. Here you can choose young adults. Author name you would like to appear, you can write your name or any other brand that you really want. Then do you want extras, table of contents? As you see in Amazon, they want table of contents when you are uploading manuscript, the entire book. So you can say yes, number 6, all of them, dedication page, author call, everything. So once you tell me this, I can draft the full manuscript and even package it Kindle ready, including title, subtitles, keywords, categories, and description for your Amazon listing. Just reply with your answers and I'll get started right away. So I'll write, I want 80 pages, 80 pages. So because of time, I'll not write everything. I was just telling you. So if I write 80 pages without any topic, for young adults maybe, they'll just ask me another question. Adults, and if they finish, they'll just upload your book. I want 80 pages for young adults. Perfect. Thanks for sharing that you want 80 pages book for young adults. To shape it, so unaona imerudi kuniuliza those na question, what's genre or topics, what tone or style, author name, everything. So nimewambia itaniuliza, so you have to answer all of this and your book will be ready and they will upload everything. Once uploaded, they'll send you here, then you can just go and take your book, download it to your phone. You can see my book here was this one. They gave me this cover to choose from, then they gave me this one and this one, not this one, this one. They gave me 3 so that I can advertise them to make sure that I choose one perfectly for Amazon. And they gave me a logo. Here's my logo. You can see it's very smart. They gave me everything, so make sure you go there. And this is the back cover. You can see how smart it is, how professional it is. So here it is. So everything is in it. So my Amazon is the way to go. ChatGPT, then go sell it in Amazon. You can see, let's go to Gmail. On Gmail, my book is ready and already published, so I'm waiting just for sales. Where is Amazon? Yeah, Kindle Direct Publishing. Hello, you can see, hello Regina, congratulations, your book How to Start a Successful Business for Women is now live and available for purchase in the Kindle store. If you pre-publish your book, your changes will be published based on these timelines. So you can see my book is already there, ready to be sold. So go use ChatGPT and you'll thank me later. Bye bye guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.